I had joined the tennis team here my junior year. My friend got me to join the tennis team, and he was the tennis coach at the time. He's like, hey, you should join STEM, as like a joke. And I was like, oh, that seems cool. All right. So the next day, I actually talked to him about it, and I ended up joining the class and enrolling in the class. And so he kind of got me started on it. And once I got started, I was hooked. It was a lot of fun.
So the first year in STEM, we started as a drafting class. So we started learning how to use AutoCAD, how to use 3D solid modeling. And then the professors at the University of Colorado, Denver came in and they presented this idea of building a hydrogen fuel cell car to compete at the Shell Eco Marathon in Detroit. And so 16 of us decided that this was a good idea, and we decided that we wanted to build this car. And so we spent one class period each day, and then after school and weekends, building a carbon fiber car to then compete in Detroit.
Looking back on it, it was probably one of the coolest experiences that I've ever been a part of, because there's only one first year. There's only 1 year that you can say that everybody in the class didn't know what they were doing, and we all learned together. It wasn't a hierarchy of this guy knows everything and this guy doesn't.
Some of the big ones are definitely like communication, like working with a team. I figured because you always have to work with other people, and that's just life. It's not even like engineering or anything. It just happens all the time.
We all became very close. As all 16 of us became really close, we were working on one project together. We learned how to problem solve together. We learned people's different strengths and where we can use them best. Everyone became good at one aspect of the car.
So the Urban Concept Vehicle is a vehicle for Shell Eco Marathon. It's a four-wheel, street-legal vehicle with headlights, a cargo space, things of that nature. So it poses a lot more complex issues than the prototype vehicle does, because we're not just going for fuel efficiency. We have a lot more rules and regulations that we have to meet. From the past years that we've been doing the Shell Eco Marathon, we've learned a lot. From the first year car, we had more of a round vehicle, which made putting on components and manufacturing a lot harder. This year we're doing a rolling chassis for our Urban Concept, so we can have all of our mechanical pieces and electrical done before we even get the final touches and the looks done on it. So we're trying to speed up the process by making things more simple for ourselves.
Hi, I'm Isaac Fernald. I'm the lead designer for this year's hydrogen fuel cell prototype car that we will take to the Shell Eco Marathon. The prototype car that we're building is a vehicle that is designed to be as efficient as possible in using hydrogen fuel from for the fuel cell, and we're taking it to the Shell Marathon, where we compete with other vehicles to see whose vehicle is the most efficient.